Hi guys, so extension is live and let me show you how you can use it. First of all, you need to generate your API key to be able to access the extension. To do that, visit settings, API, and then click on this icon to generate the key. This key will be shown only once, so once it's generated, just click to copy it. And here in the list, you will see all your API keys that you have created, so you can delete it, recreate again, etc. Once it's copied, we go to the extension, pass the API key here, and it will show all your directories. And then once the directory is selected, the categories here. Let me show you on the example how to use it. So when you are on the website which you want to save, just click the icon, select the directory here. So I will save it to the default one. You can select the category, or you can just leave it without selecting the category. So let's select one of them and create save. Listing is saved. Let's try another link. So here, once you select the directory and category, it will be pre-saved here, so you don't have to select it all the time. Let's say you want to add a lot of listings on the same category, you don't need to select them every time. But this time I want to change it to this one, click save, and it's saved again. Let's go to the directory to check it. And yeah, these two links already saved. And here for us to save the link, it works the same way as the pull info from URL. So if your URL not accessible, this feature might not work, but yeah, in the majority of the URLs it will work here. So it will pull the title, description, icon, everything that is available. I hope you find this new extension useful. Cheers.